Eto, having breakfast kami ng tatay. Medyo late na naman. Okay, ito na yung first video na hinihingi ni Pia. Shout out please for Sofia Briana.
Charles Darwin.
Visit. Lakad na kami ng tatay. Oh. Papasok. Tatay holding my coffee. Very madam. Tinan mo kami ng tatay. Dami namin ID, oh. Oh. Saan ang tatay? Oh, back. We miss you. Ayan, doon kami nang galing sa hotel na yan, oh. Nilalakad lang namin everyday here. Ayan. Maaga pa, hindi pa namin nakakasabay yung mga teams. Usually, dyan din sila nagsistay. So, yan, pag-aari. Lahat na nakikita nyo, anak, pag-aari ko yan. Char! Ayan. Ay, sorry. Coffee ko. Ito, waiting lang kami ni tatay sa runner. Ay, halika, videohan mo ako. Gagawa ko ng iced coffee. Tara, samahan mo ako.
Iced coffee?
Oo. I'll bring it with me. Samahan mo na ako.
Saving my energy for the whole day.
Ito naman eh. We're here at the merch, F1 merch. I don't think we have the phone case that Jana's looking for. Ooh, kainit. McLarens. Here are the McLarens.
Hi. BC.
Hindi naman.
Kamusta po kayo?
Ay, sorry.
Hindi, mga kamag-anak sa Pilipinas. Sama kayo, dali. Si Ada, si Mika, mga ano.
Mga kasama namin.
Oh, yeah. There's tatay. Guwapo ah. Pero mas guwapo yun. Guwapo. Sorry.
can see him very clearly.
Please.
Nico Rosberg, welcome. Ryan. Play with Carlos.
Out the way, husband. She's got her eye on another man.
Okay, me and Pagoda, Tatay, driving back to the media center. We're just gonna have a quick walk sa paddock para may mapadala kami sa inyong bago. Sa susunod mga anak, pwede na kayo mag-volunteer dito. Mararanasan nyo rin to hanggat nandito si Mami sa Yas Marina Circuit. Oh, back. Tatay walking in the paddock. What's this? Yan, di natin nakakasalubong yung mga... Tatay, masasabi mo sa paddock? Baklaring ka pa, ha? Father of Carlos.
Agassi.
We're here. Ano?
Carlos Agassi.
At McLaren. Wearing McLaren. Yes.
Tignan, no?
Yes. Ka lang. Okay. Makakapunta rin kayo rito. Bilisan nyo mag-aral. Picture nga tayo. Dito naman kami sa mga likod ng mga villas.
May mga nagpa-party-party.
Oh, party-party na mga gunggong. Ako taing-tain na. Halika, picture muna tayo, babe.
Kape.
Natatay ako. Ha? Baka nasa mga taas sila nagpa-party. Tignan mo, parang may kaganapan doon sa Red Bull Villa, oh. Dahil tao. O may barbecue nagaganap. Is he still there? Is he still there?
Yeah, Bob Marley's still there.
Really? Sure?
Yeah,
Sure?
I'm here to offer you real estate agents.
Oh, wow. And how much is it?
For free.
For free. You'll become one of these billionaires inside in your future life. Thank you, my dear. But what makes you so sure that Max is still here? Are you sure? Did he wave at you guys?
Symbol on your life, on his life.
Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. You speak Arabic? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from?
This is licensed anthrax.
Yeah.
And how does this look?
Yeah, no. Get George. Tatay, George is here. George, come here. Hi, George. Hi. Hello. Have a good night, George. Good night. Louis, good night. Louis.
I thought you're skating for you. This is what I got.
Walang yan naman, Ryan. Anak naman ito. Wow, kuna mo. I thought he was filming.
Pero nakunan mo yung kanina nandun.
Nakunan kita, pero ako di mo nakunan.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise. Every time she closed her eyes.
Radio, put my jam, cause I am whatever you say I am. If I wasn't, then why would I say I am? In the paper, the news, every day I am. It's just the way I am, cause I am whatever you say I am. If I wasn't, then why would I say I am? In the paper, the news, every day I am. Radio won't even play my jam, cause I am whatever you say I am. If I wasn't, then why would I say I am? In the paper, the news, every day I am. I don't know, this is the way I am.